Hi beauties, it's me Evie, and I am here with my premium BoxyCharm that I buy and spend my money on, and I have done a makeup look, this makeup look to be particular, with the makeup box that I'm gifted, the makeup box that I've been gifted from Boxy, my premium box, and my regular base box. So now that I have all of this on, I want to tell you about the products in my premium box. The first product is from Ofra. It is a signature palette, Symphony. This is on my eyes today, and they went on so smooth. There was not a lot of fallout, which is the best part. And the quality seemed high and luxe, and I loved this. This palette from Ofra Cosmetics retails for $34. The next thing we have is from Berkey. This is a Nutrient C Eye Cream. You know I love all their products from this company, so I'm looking forward to trying this. Never tried it before. I will give a review because I love this, and once I'm like healed with all my skin issues right now, I will be doing a follow-up on my skincare, so that will be there. This retails for $90. We have a product that I have used before. It is Flawless Beauty. It's Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing gloss, and I actually I'm almost out of mine, so I opened this and used it on my lips today, and you can see they are nice and full and luscious and ready to be kissed. Cheer me! This retails for $25. The next product I have in my hair today as one of the things to get it to be less frizz and more spiral, and it is by Playa Moni Milk Leave-In Conditioner. Moni Milk Leave-In Conditioner. And you just use it like any other leave-in conditioner. When your hair is wet, spray it in. My hair was damp and I used it. I'll put a little right here. I have a little bit of a frizz going on. You can see that it just really makes a difference. Look at that. It went from like super frizz to soft. And I'm putting that over hairspray because I have hairspray in my hair. Obviously I have a good one because it's not hard and whatnot. But yeah. So I like that. I don't love the smell on it, but the way it reacts on my hair, I do like that. So this is retailed for $24. This next product is from Complex Culture Beauty. It's a Good Glow Blush Duo, and it is a lovely, lovely blush duo. I have this shade all over the eye, and this is in the corner mainly. What am I saying? Not eye, cheek. This is all over my cheek, and this is at the tip top where I like it to be a little bit darker. This went on quite nicely. It is way more pigmented than I expected, and it blended lovely. It blended almost as good as a cream. So, and there wasn't like all that fallout going into every place that you did not want it. This retails for $30, which I do believe that it is definitely a $30 bonus. Like, I would pay $30 for this. Okay. And the last item I haven't tried, but it is from Pop Mask, and it is for our eyes. There is 5 masks in here. There's 5 of these. They come like this. They're very thick. And it says it's all the sleepover rage. I don't even know if that's what it says. It says, the sleepover. Always fun, and forever beloved. Bring a night of friendship and laughter to a peaceful close with a rose-scented sleepover mask. The mask is your calm in a pouch, giving you some well-earned relaxation time. The warming, relaxing mask will soothe your tired eyes and allow you to lie back, relax, doze, daydream, meditate, or just unplug from life. I like that. I can't wait to try these. I've always used cold products on my eyes, so I'm not sure if what warm does. It doesn't say. So that's the end of the premium box for the month of August. My shirt's crooked. Why? Okay. So that is the end of the premium box. It is 6 full-size items. Though items I have tried, I really enjoy. This is a month that I keep everything in my box. So I hope that this is made you smile a little bit, made you want to go out and get a Boxy, because I have a link and it is a personalized link just for me. So if you want to go use that, I would love it so much. I hope you know how much you mean to me. Remember, be your own beautiful. Remember, be your own beautiful. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification. It would help me out a bunch.